Yo, what is up? It is your boy Chris Colgan from the world's worst sneaker reviews, Chris Colgan Drips. We're going through a name change right now. I'm talking to my big management team. We will figure that out. Honestly, it's like one person, but we'll figure it out. Jordan 1 KOs. Oh, you know what? Hold on. I forgot the intro, didn't I? Did I forget the, the intro. All right, so anyways, this is the thing with a shoe like this. This is where I get annoyed with sneaker people. This shoe right here is 140 bucks. It comes out, I think, May something, like May 15th or something like that. May 10th, you can Google it. I don't have time right now. You actually, I think what's gonna happen is, watch my word here. This is where if you follow me on Instagram, at Chris Colgan, that's the only thing I really plug. We have no sponsors. Maybe one day I'll get a sponsor, like, I don't know. What's that, Rose Shaven or whatever that shoe cleaner is? This is like a canvas type material shoe. Like, I don't really know much of the history behind these or anything. Here's the thing, Chicago colorway, very popular. We all know that this is a sick ass colorway. Here's my thing with this shoe. Everyone watch on Instagram or wherever, Twitter is gonna talk shit about this shit. They're gonna say, pass, the thing sucks. Come the day of release on sneakers, everyone's gonna be trying to get it. The thing is that most sneaker people don't realize with shoes like these are girls are into them and the general public is into it. They don't really care as much as you do. So if you're buying to resell it, this is a shoe I would buy cheaply for 140 bucks. Then I would resell it and maybe make some money if you're not gonna wear it. Honestly, I think this shoe's kind of cool. I would actually rock this. And not everybody is like a big baller that can go out and drop $500 on a pair of like, you know, whatever Travis Scotts or Off-Whites that are on the, you know, that are just paying way above retail for. So my thing with these, I'm really into them. You have the classic Chicago colorway. I mean, it comes with two different sets of laces. You got the red, white, the black on there already. I was able to secure myself a pair of these early. Like material wise, no, these are not like the greatest material ever. We're obviously showing you some clips, you can kind of tell that. It's like a canvas, so if you're like real artsy, like one of those dudes, you know, that like just goes in your room and like, I don't know, paints on like a canvas, you could probably paint these up and they look pretty cool or something. But other than that, you know, I would buy these. I'm telling you, if you want to flip these suckers and make some money, buy them, hold on to them, send them to like a consignment shop, because what will happen is girls will see these in the mall at a consignment shop, like Urban Necessities, and be like, oh damn, those look nice, and then they'll want to buy them. All right, so appreciate you guys watching it. They're gonna be 140 bucks. They drop May 12th on the sneakers app. I'm sure they'll be on like Nike and all the Foot Locker and all that stuff. But honestly, as the sneaker sellers, hold on, so ladies, hold on to your panties, as you know, I'll do it. I look badass right now. Especially this is Chicago colorway. It's gonna pop on like a Tinder profile. Like fellas, you will get laid like faster than one of those like TikTok boys at the hype house. You know what I mean? So yeah, there you go. World's worst sneaker reviews. We're gonna continue just putting out content. Fuck.
What do you rate these?
Rate? Rape? No, rate. Oh, what I rate? You know what? I'm gonna give them a C+. Like, would I like go out and you know, would I go out and like go crazy on StockX or somewhere and buy these, or track down reseller to buy them? No, I would C+. You know what? They're cool colorway. Chicago colorway is always gonna go up in value. There's my rating. Everyone, you make fun of mids, you make fun of these. That's how you really make money in the sneaker business. See you at the top or from the top.